about your navigation system. There is this video, and it's very similar to real life. How did you do it?
So we took our sensors data and we have a Blender implementation of this data in order to make a video on Blender. And what we noticed at the start was that the NAS, the navigation system, is very good on the ascending phase, but we still had some troubles with the descending phase because it is problematic on a point of view of the rocket because it shakes a lot and things like that. But we were not really happy because it was at the start very different from the reality, and also the GPS was not very precise at start. And later, working on it, it's becoming better and better. So I think the guy that made this video will really love the fact that you talked about this, because it was very, very difficult and very, very cool. And it shows how your vehicle is very similar to on the theoretical part and on the practical part. And also, fun story, we always end up on the trees, as you can see from the video, but it's okay because our rockets never get damaged from the trees. Sometimes the parachute does, and as a recovery guy, a former recovery guy, I don't really like it, but it's okay for the rocket, so we are cool with this.
Yes, this is the proof that a lot of theoretical work can help in the practical work, and that maybe studying so much actually is useful for something.
Yes, it can be useful to study